Our top focus at this hour. Now, in an unexpected population drop, Russia has now reported a record decline of more than 1 million people. Now, the massive population fall has been intensified by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which, according to officials, have resulted in over 660,000 deaths since the beginning of the pandemic itself. Now, the new figures continue a downward trend from the previous year, when Russia's population fell by more than 500,000. According to Russia's Federal State Statistics Service, Rosstat, COVID-related fatalities in the country are far higher than the figures released by separate government websites. Other government sites only take into account fatalities where the virus was established as the primary cause of death after an autopsy. Now, the discrepancy in figures has sparked criticism that the Russian government is downplaying the severity of the pandemic in the country, which is one of the worst affected nations in the whole wide world. Now, along with the ongoing COVID pandemic, Russia's rising aging population and short life expectancy have also contributed to this sharp population decline. According to reports, more than 215,000 Russians have died due to various other reasons in 2021. Which is again a rise of nearly 42% compared to 2019 figures. Birth rates have been falling because the generation now becoming parents were born in the 1990s, when the birth rate witnessed a massive decline due to the economic crisis following the collapse of the Soviet Union. Now, Russia's shrinking population has been at the top of President Vladimir Putin's domestic agenda since he came into power. A number of financial incentives have been introduced to encourage parents to have more than one child. However, a lot more needs to be done in order to bring in some significant change in the demographic graph. The number of births per woman stands now at around 1.5, well short of the minimum of 2.1 which is needed to renew the population.